Hi, okay, so this is going to be an example of using Thinkroom that's built on Float Square. And the basic idea behind it is to allow you to manage tasks according to projects and companies and filter them thereby. So anyone can see what tasks you're working on and you can see what other people are working on. So let's start. Let's start by signing in. And the first page you're going to see is basically there's nothing going to be there at the moment because there's no tasks assigned to you, but this will be a basic breakdown of all the tasks that are assigned to you. So just to walk you through it, let's add a task from the basics, so you can see how everything connects to each other. And to do that, we need to first add a company and then add a project to the company and add a task to the company. That's forming the hierarchy. So let's first start by adding a company. So there you can already see there's an example of a company that's already added. But let's just add someone just to show you. So you add the little plus button there. Then it wants us to add the company description. So let's just use something that everyone's familiar with. Microsoft. Okay, so now it adds the Microsoft company for us. So now we want to add a project to Microsoft. So then we go again to the little plus sign. So now we can say, let's say Office. Alright, let's make it Windows Development, or something like that. And then don't worry about a project value. That's for administrators for assigning values. Let's say then you select the company you want to assign us to. You say Microsoft. Then you just say add project, and it adds the project for you. Then it shows you the amount of tasks that are still waiting and the amount of tasks that are completed. And this little circle is an indicator of what has been done and what has not been done yet. So let's add a task to this project. So you click tasks, then you can say little plus sign again. So you say task description can be, let's say what can it be? Let's just do something like Office 365 training. Then you have the due date. Anything that's after today's date would be indicated as overdue, and when you have it lined up it would show as red. But let's just go with today's date. When you select the company, you can say Microsoft, then instantly it's going to show you options of all the projects associated there. When you select the project that we just created, and automatically it's going to assign you as the user, but if you have other users there you can select them, change it and assign the task to them, but just keep it like that. Then you say add task, and there you have a task assigned to you. So it shows you the due date, who the task is supposed to complete this task. You have comments, so you can click there and you can make a comment. So add comment. This is just an example. Post this comment. So if you go and you select comment again, it shows a list of all the comments that have been made, so you can have a conversation there. And people get an email notification associated, whoever is associated with the task. Then you can upload files. You click there, then you can upload any files. And then here it shows you the project that this task is associated to and the company that it's associated to. So you can click there and you can jump to that company, or you can jump to that project, and you can see, okay, Microsoft Projects has this in its list. And if you want to see all the tasks that only focuses on you, you can go and you can say my tasks, then it shows your tasks. So if you're done with a task, you can just go to the check sign there and just click there and boom, then the task is done. If you want to go and see all the tasks that have been archived, you can go and you can click on that little check mark there, that's great, and it shows you all the tasks that have been completed. You can just click on the check mark again, then it shows you all this not completed. So you can jump to your archived tasks. You can also, let's say you want to go to your archive task and you say, but this isn't actually done yet. You can just click it there, then it's put back on your waiting list again. See? So if you want to filter, you also have a filter. That's a filter option. You can say, okay, I just want to see today's tasks. Then it shows you today's tasks. You want to add another task, you can add a task directly from my task screen. It looks exactly the same. Let's just say let's create a earlier due date, so you can see expiration dates. Assign it to Microsoft Windows Development, assign it to myself, and you say add task. Now you can see the due date is indicated by the red, so it's already showing that it's expired, and you have to look at it. If you want to see who else is on the team with you, you can go into the team option, and it gives you a breakdown of who is on the team. This is just example invitations. So if you invite someone, it's going to show pending invite, and as soon as they accept it, then you can see who's on the system with you, what they're doing, what tasks have they completed, and so on. So if I go to my tasks, and I say, okay, well, this is done, and I go back to team, it's going to give me a quick visual breakdown there of what has been done. I can also invite other users, just adding their email there, and then you assign them a role, if they're an admin or just part of the team, and then it would send them an invite. So if you want to go in this list and you want to see, okay, well, you're selecting a member and you just want to see what they're doing, you can just click on their name, and then it would show that Carrot has one task waiting. So, but this is an effect of all the users, not just mine. Okay, so once again, we can go to companies, projects, and tasks, and you can jump in and out as you wish. This is just a filter method to organize all the bulk. Okay, and that's basically it. Try to keep it very simple. I think it's easy to use. If you have any problems, don't feel afraid to send me an email, ask, and I will help you out. Okay, thank you very much.